Hello friends, subscribe my channel. Examination based question IDP. Fossil fuels such as coal, oil and natural gas is extensively used in the many countries which cause the harm to the environment. The use of the alternative sources of energy including wind and solar power, however, being encouraged in many countries. Is it a positive or negative development? First of all, understand about these question lines. After that, rephrase the question, then make the thesis. Let's start. Fossil fuel has been used by the humankind as the sources of the primary energy for hundreds of years, but it is considered a non-renewable sources, which means that one day the earth is depleted due to persistent exploration to meet the human daily needs in various activities. BP1. There are the drawbacks regarding the uses of the fossil fuel. First, as a non-renewable sources, human perpetual exploitation to fulfill the energy needs, mainly in machine consumptions like car, aeroplane, and factories, will lead to depletion of this type of the energy. Secondly, they emit the pollutant that jeopardize human health costs, illness such as the cough, cancer, and respiratory system. Finally, it endangers the ozone layer, which has functioned to protect the earth from the ultraviolet radiation and in some cases lead to the global warming accelerations in the some part of the world. The statistics shows that the fossil fuel has contributed to more than 65% of the greenhouse effects on the atmosphere. These hazardous substances come from the exhaust fumes of the vehicles and plants due to the human activity as mentioned above. Due to these conditions, some countries encourage people to use alternative sources of the energy, which are regarded as safe for our planet, like geothermal, solar, nuclear, and wind. Despite of the high cost of the power plant installations for the initial investment, this energy category is not only environmentally friendly but also more substantial in the long run because of its infinite reserve in our solar system, which means this type of energy can be replenished and renewed regularly without worries that they will deplete in the future. In conclusion, I contend that alternative sources of energy are a positive development for humankind because it does not generate pollution, so they will safe and friendly for our ecosystem and much more sustainable in long run. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it for new update about any module informations as well as knowledge question and answer.